Brindley's climbing a mountain. I don't know if we got the right shoes on. I knew better. Our hope is to not fall off this cliff. Brindley, you look like a little mountain goat. Checking out the old buttes in Phoenix, Arizona here. Brindley's on her first little vacation, daddy-daughter vacay. Whew!
Oh, she's over.
Are you tired?
No.
Or are you just looking for a spot to hang out?
Yeah. I want there to be a cave spider.
A cave spider. Let's avoid cave spiders.
Whoa. So I was up here, so there was glass bottle.
This is pretty cool.
Oh, perfect spot to sit down.
Nice. Nice.
Should I take a photo?
Yeah?
That camera?
I just don't want to fall off. See what happens?
Yeah, come up here.
Whoa.
Hi, Kathy.
Butte of a view up on the butte. Butte of a view up on the butte. we made her halfway.
Yay.
Yay.